We are doing the squishy one because it has play-doh in it. Now let's open it up first. There's a card. Drive in. And I'm gonna get the wires. And there's a screw or something. Now let's do it. Let's read the instructions. I don't know how you can do it. These are wires. You have to use your adults to help do it. And this is the squishiest Play-Doh. And you know what's inside. It makes the squishy circuit lights. This is it. This is not a marshmallow. You can't eat it.
First, let's get the batteries in the battery pack.
In the battery pack?
Yeah.
Where did they go? Did they go right
Wait,
here?
I think that one goes the other way, like this way.
Yeah, or something. The
And
battery.
this goes the opposite way. Second one goes in the opposite direction. No, flip it around.
In the opposite way.
Yeah, put it in. Other one.
Daddy,
Put spring
looks,
part first. Turn it this way.
Daddy, it looks like a battery bag.
And battery bag.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Yep.
That was where the battery goes, so you can put things in the battery bag.
Good.
Now close it up, close it up, close it up, close it up, close it up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Alright, so that's our current, right?
Yep.
Make sure it's off. It's on off.
On.
We're gonna see if our bulbs light up.
Look!
Wait, keep it off.
So don't
it off.
press.
We're gonna see if our bulbs light up. I'm gonna tell you when to turn it on, and then we'll see if our bulbs light up. Let's just stick the bulb right here. You know, Play-Doh. All right. You wanna turn it on for me?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna turn it on? Turn the battery pack on. Wait, we're not getting connections for. Oh, there we go. So we made light.
Yeah.
But guess what?
What?
What if we actually
Take more
took the
out
Play-Doh out?
and
Make any shape you want.
I'm gonna make a circle.
Mhm.
Can you help me make a reindeer?
Put it down.
Right here?
All right, and let's put your bulb in it. Stick your bulb in it.
Okay.
Stick these into the Play-Doh.
Okay.
Stick them in, like so. Stick the other one in.
Okay. Right here.
All right. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it lights up.
It's not.
It doesn't.
Maybe this one is a better one.
It looks like the bulb does not work.
It looks like it's white light.
Let's try a different bulb. Have
About
a bad
this
bulb. Yeah, go ahead and stick that one in there.
If they don't work, we can throw them in the trash.
Let's try it now.
Oh, this one's lighting up.
Wow. Yeah,
But
better
if
one.
we let it like a V, it will not work. It is. I'm gonna choose the regular Play-Doh because it works on the regular Play-Doh. Maybe if we don't let it like a V, it's gonna work. Can I? I'm making Daddy.
Okay.
almost finished. You know why do he have long legs? Because he's big. Now they make you look. But you have a shaky butt. Look, you have a shaky butt. Use blue. No, I'll use blue. I know. Don't touch it because this is my video. It's not anybody else's video. It light up. Let's put this one in the good list because it light up. Take this out. Then I want to make. What color did you want to make?
Use a purple. Make green there.
Okay. Okay. But we have to get brown because reindeers are brown.
Oh, we don't have any brown play-doh. We only got purple and red.
Orange.
Is it orange?
It looks like orange.
Yeah. I guess.
Let's put it in here.
You make his head. I'm making his body.
Okay. When we're done making the reindeer, we are gonna make this outfit as
What?
a snowman.
Alright, cool.
Because snowmans have three circles. It's only one.
Stick it all the way in there. Stick it.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. Put his head on.
Okay. Rudolph the reindeer.
As Rudolph.
Rudolph the reindeer is cool.
So don't you want to put some lights on him? Where are you going to put the light?
I want to put it on his back.
Oh, you want to put some light on his back?
Yeah.
Alright, good idea. Here's the light.
Okay.
You gotta be gentle when you stick it in.
Okay. If I don't be gentle, it will not work. I can't.
Close it, yeah.
I'm a science guy.
Ooh, it's not working, science guy.
Maybe I'm gonna try it one more time for myself. Daddy, you have to let it on, not off.
Alright, what else can we make?
Let's make a snowman. I'm making a snowman.
That's the snowman's body?
Yep. We have to make 3 big balls.
Put his ball on it.
Okay. Then
What else you need?
a tiny head. Because sometimes snowmans have big heads and tiny heads. But I want to make a tiny head.
Alright, I got an idea.
Oh.
Why not use the bulb as the snowman's his hat? What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we stick it all the way in?
You can stick it in some more.
Okay. He's looking up.
Alright, test it to see if it works.
Test it. I have to fix the weather.
What, you can stick it in right here? And then you can touch the other one on the other wire right there. Go ahead, touch it on the wire. The other wire, no, the other wire right here on the stem of the bulb.
I want to stick both. Rudolph the reindeer sit on the couch.
No, you gotta stick it on that stem over here.
Daddy, can you say Rudolph the reindeer stick on the couch? He
Alright,
is the...
so it works. What else you wanna do?
I know a race car.
You wanna do a race car?
Yeah. So first, I have to make a rectangle. this one. And some rectangle.
Why don't you make it bigger? Really bigger.
When we're done doing the race car, guess what?
What?
We're gonna do a hover car, but a hover car only have a rectangle.
Okay. Alright, so go ahead and make that into a
Race car.
Mhm.
We are gonna make. I'm gonna make a race car. I'm gonna make your race car, and you're gonna make my car because it's black.
Alright, look. I made a rectangle.
Yep. I can't make one.
Do you want to use mine?
Use mine. Just make all the race cars.
You make the wheels.
Okay. Daddy, maybe this is the mechanic. Did you make the window?
Mm-hmm. The window right there. Make some wheels.
I have one tiny wheel.
Make a couple more wheels.
So it can stand up.
Good.
Hmm?
Flip it around and make the wheels for the other side.
Okay. Let's stick them so they don't fall off. Yeah.
You're gonna put lights on it
I'm gonna put it right here.
at the top.
No, I'm gonna put it on the.
On the back. Okay.
That's the trunk.
That's the trunk.
Yeah. We have a trunk on our car. Is that gonna light up? Is it gonna light up or it's not? I'm gonna
You can actually put more than one light to make a
I'm gonna
circuit.
put a 4 because number 4. I'm 4 years old because I'm 4 years old. I'm 4 years old. Should I use that one? I'm 4 years old.
So your race cars got lights on the wheels?
Yeah.
You gotta stick them in some more or they're gonna fall out. Good. Good.
Let's see. This one is gonna. We can try all of them. Honest.
How are you gonna test it if you put it all the way in? Alright, try your other wheels. See your lights on the other wheels?
Focus on the other wheels. Can you say focus on the?
Focus on the other wheels, if that's what you want me to say.
I can't turn them.
You don't have to move the car, you're gonna break it.
Oh. Okay.
You already did that one. Do the other bulbs. Do the other bulbs. This one, try that one. That one doesn't work. Alright, try these on this side.
This.
Let's focus on this one right here. You hold the black. What color is that? You hold the black, I'll hold the red. Does it work?
It's more. It was green.
Oh yeah, it does work. You just gotta be patient, right?
Yeah.
What else you wanna make? Something small.
I know. Me and you. That's me.
Yeah. Just to share that light, me and you. Alright, let's test it. Black is yours, red is mine.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on the play-doh and you can touch the stem. Good. Stick it in the ring there. Touch the stem on the bulb.